Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, today we're gonna talk about the desktop customizing tool Jarvis. Jarvis is an artificial intelligence assistant which tells you what you command. So, the required files are in the description below. If you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, go and hit the subscribe button and smash that like button. And you can ask anything about the Jarvis by commenting below. So, let's take a look into the video.
Establishing connection to satellite number 76. Launching microphone setup wizard.
In here, we have to select the desktop microphone or headset microphone if you have. I'm just select this. Let's get into that. Now we have to read that following paragraph. So let's get there. Peter dictates to his computer. He prefers it to typing and particularly prefers it to pen and paper. So next, finish. And we have to select our language in here. So and proceed this.
Loading intro.
This showing an animation of opening this intro of Jarvis, and I think it takes some time.
Gathering audio and video files. Media libraries have been updated. No files found in the specified music and video directories. Loading custom components.
Actually, this is
I am
how.
online and ready.
Actually, this is how things opened. Actually, its original name is Links, not the Jarvis. We have to rename as Jarvis. So let's get it. And first of all, this is my nearest best 1 meters. She's talking to me. So let's we have to settings,
Customize. Settings.
and we have to rename this as Jarvis. So this is the intro that we seen when starting this, and what we do now. I don't start or run on Windows stuff. Let's get this. And some other things are here. Here this can be when we command to open a video, it's doing that, and it has to be have a video directory, so we have to put it in here. So the videos that in your computer have to be given to this. So Celsius, and this is the opacity level. You can see the opacity of this interfere in this time is okay. And also we can change the desktop Microsoft David into this AI sound. So likewise the Iron Man's Jarvis. Let's apply this.
Voice change to Microsoft David desktop completed.
I think it's somewhat slow.
Voice change to Microsoft Zero desktop completed. Voice change to Microsoft Hazel desktop
This is good.
completed.
This is good. Microsoft Zero desktop
Voice
is good.
change to Microsoft Zero desktop completed.
It's done. Hey, what's the day today? Jarvis? Jarvis? What is the day today? And if you don't know the commands how to be given, we can find them in customize tool. These are the commands that can be asked. Hello Jarvis. Now when she recognizes what we speak, indicates in this color.